Namaste everyone. Today we will see the technique of Bhramari Pranayama. Let's begin. First of all, sit any comfortable and meditative posture, and then after that, in the Bhramari Pranayama, exhale. While you exhale, make the humming sound. Okay. Inhale deeply and exhale the humming sound. Okay, let's start. First of all, make sure during the practice your spine should be straight, and slowly close your eyes. Palms place on your knees, palms facing upward. Adapt Jnana or Mudra. Now inhale deeply. Exhale slowly and completely. Once again, inhale deeply. Exhale slowly and completely. Once again, inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Now prepare your mind for the Bhramari Pranayama. Then after that, raise your both arms in your eye level and index finger place on your eye, and then middle finger place the side of nose, and ring finger place below the nose, upper lip, and then after that little finger place the below the lower lip. Okay, and then after that thumb place on your flap of ear. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly and completely. Once again, inhale deeply and close the flap of your ear. And while exhaling, start humming sound. And then I stop the practice. Slowly, hands down on your knees, palm facing upward. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly and completely. Now rub your palms. Make it warm. Apply it on your face. Feel the warmness within the palm. And slowly hands down. First you look inside your hands, and then your body, and then forward, look forward, and relax for a while.